Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Fortnite birthday decorations is probably one of the most exciting ways to bring the battle royale action right into your party space, transforming any room into an epic gaming zone where players can celebrate in true Fortnite style. Imagine the thrill of your child's face lighting up as they step into a world inspired by their favorite game, complete with iconic symbols, vibrant colors, and all the energy of a Fortnite match, making their special day an unforgettable adventure filled with fun, laughter, and plenty of victory royales. Number 5. Fortnite Baseball Cap for Boys. Introducing the ultimate accessory for young fans. This cap is designed for comfort and durability, perfect for everyday wear. Crafted with high-quality materials, it ensures a long-lasting fit. You can be sure it's made to withstand all their adventures. Featuring a sleek, flat-brim design, it offers a modern look. It's the perfect blend of style and functionality. This fitted cap provides a snug and comfortable fit for boys. It's designed to stay in place no matter the activity. Let them showcase their love for Fortnite with this stylish hat. It's an essential addition to any young gamer's collection. What we like. If you're looking for a subtle nod to the game, this is it. It offers a sleek design and quality construction. This is perfect for the birthday kid who loves Fortnite but prefers a more understated accessory. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the designs are true to the Fortnite theme, making it a hit with kids. The banner was a good size and easy to hang up, and the balloons were durable and held air well. The cake toppers were a nice addition and looked great on the cake, adding to the overall party atmosphere. Number 4. Black Purple Blue Balloons 60 PCS Metallic Confetti Balloons. Transform your party space with our stunning collection of balloons. Featuring a bold mix of black, purple, blue, and teal, they're perfect for creating a cosmic atmosphere. Crafted from durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated for your entire celebration. They are non-toxic and safe for decoration, ready to be filled with air or helium. Inflating these is a breeze, whether you use air or helium. They are perfect for creating stunning arrangements and backdrops that will wow your guests. These balloons are ideal for a wide range of events, from birthdays and baby showers to graduations and anniversaries. Let them be the highlight of your space-themed decor. For the most vibrant display, we recommend inflating them on the day of your event. They will maintain their shape for up to 2 days, ensuring a beautiful setup. What we like. For a party that's out of this world, consider these balloons. Their unique color palette is perfect for creating stunning backdrops. If you want to create a visually striking atmosphere with a cosmic theme, these are your best bet. What people say. The banner was a good size and the colors were vibrant. The balloons were easy to inflate and held air well. The cake topper was a nice addition and looked great on the cake. Number 3. Video Game Balloon Arch Garland Kit. Get ready to celebrate with this ultimate video game balloon arch garland kit. It's the perfect way to add excitement to any gamer's party. This comprehensive set includes a variety of balloons in blue, purple, green, and black, along with fun game controller foil balloons. It also comes with all the accessories needed for easy assembly. Crafted from high-quality, safe latex, these balloons are durable and reliable. They can be filled with air or helium to create a vibrant and festive atmosphere. Ideal for birthday parties, game nights, or any video game-themed celebration. It's versatile enough for various occasions, bringing a lively touch to any setting. Creating a stunning balloon garland is simple. Just inflate the balloons to different sizes and arrange them using the included tools for a unique and impressive display. Remember, these are for decoration only and should be used with adult supervision. Please avoid overinflating the balloons to prevent bursting. What we like. Level up your party decor with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything you need to create an impressive balloon arch. If you're aiming for a dynamic and exciting video game theme, this set will make your decorations pop. What people say. The banner was a great size and the colors were vibrant. The balloons were easy to inflate and held air well. The cake topper was a nice addition and looked very cute. Number 2. Gaming Party Supplies Birthday Decoration Set 142 Pack. Get ready for an epic celebration with our 142-piece Gaming Party Decoration Set. It's everything you need for an unforgettable birthday bash. This must-have bundle includes balloons, toppers, bottle labels, a wall poster, banner, and so much more. We've packed it with essentials for your convenience. We've poured love into every piece with creative designs and vibrant colors. Make your party stand out and wow your guests. Ideal for any video game-themed party or event. This set will transform your space and leave your guests amazed. The fun doesn't stop when the party ends. The wall tapestry poster can be used as a lasting decoration after the event. We are committed to providing the best products and service. If you encounter any issues, please let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like. This is the ultimate bundle for a truly unforgettable celebration. It includes a massive variety of decorations, from balloons to banners and even a tapestry. If you want a hassle-free way to get a complete and visually stunning gaming party setup, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the designs are true to the Fortnite theme, making the party atmosphere really pop. These decorations were a hit with the kids. They loved the character cutouts and the overall look of the banner. Easy to set up and durable. The balloons held air well, and the tablecloth was sturdy enough for a kid's party. Number 1. Video Games Llama Party Tableware Supplies. Get ready to celebrate with our ultimate party pack. It's perfect for any gamer's birthday or video game-themed event. This set includes everything you need for up to 16 guests. You'll get plates, forks, and napkins, all designed for a fun gaming experience. Planning your party just got easier. Our disposable tableware means less time cleaning and more time enjoying the fun with your friends. Made from sturdy, high-quality cardboard, these supplies are built to last through your celebration. They're perfect for serving all your favorite party treats. Create an unforgettable atmosphere for your child's special day. It's the perfect way to add excitement and joy to any video game party. We're confident you'll love this set. If you have any issues, our team is ready to help ensure your party is a success. What we like. Make cleanup a breeze with this themed tableware set. It includes plates, forks, and napkins, all featuring a fun video game design. If you're hosting a gamer's birthday and want convenient, high-quality, and atmospheric party essentials, this set is ideal. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the characters look just like they do in the game. The banner was a good size and easy to hang up. The balloons were durable and held air well throughout the party. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.